Okay, so looks like we are live. Hey guys, this is Dr. Nancy Lee. Welcome. You're in my live stream regarding the live resume review. And let me do a quick introduction. This is Dr. Nancy Lee, a direct product featured in Forbes. I've helped 1,000 people land the dream PM job offer in fan companies. So you in startup, continue to get promoted as a product leader. And if you're interested in product management training, go to my website, pmaccelerator.io, and learn more. And today we give free resume review for anybody who needs free access to me and also all the experts advising in terms of what to do in today's job market. Let me see who else is here. If you can see me live on YouTube and LinkedIn, just say hi in the chat so they can see I am live. And also introduce yourself, what's your name, where you're from, when was the last time you went to the gym? Okay, so I don't work out enough. That's why I like to hold myself accountable and ask myself this question, and also ask my audience the same kind of question as well. Okay, let me see who else is here. Yeah, come on the chat, like learn about you guys. Let me also confirm I can see me live on LinkedIn, on YouTube. Let me see. Let me go to LinkedIn, see if I am live or not. Let me see. Am I live on LinkedIn? If you see me live, comment on the chat. Say hi on the chat. Okay. Yeah, looks like we are live on both places. Okay, cool. All right. So now let's do live resume review. And usually we invite people join me in live resume review, but the people who submit a resume review hasn't shown up live on Zoom yet. But anyway, so let me show you guys how to get free resume review with me, and feel free to put all your questions in the chat. Okay, cool. All right, let's get started. Today we go through free live resume review, and whoever already submitted resume live, I already have your resume in our Drive folder, and make sure to show up live for your free live resume review. Today, let me go through today's agenda. First of all, I do love to share any inspiring stories with all of you guys, and actually, this is one of my students. She's Kavisa. She's an education tech entrepreneur, and currently she just started her new job, a remote product lead at GoDaddy. I'm very excited for her, especially due to family reasons. She's only looking for remote jobs. And now she's already starting her lead PM position at GoDaddy. And with entrepreneur background, she has 2 years career gap working on her entrepreneurship, and now she's ready to go back to the workforce. Now, let me also share with you guys regarding how she made it happen, so that you can do the same thing. All right. So number one thing what Kavisa did was she actually did an AI product portfolio. She's also part of our AI PM bootcamp. She has an AI product portfolio to demonstrate that she not only knowing product management, she also know AI, so that she's more competitive compared with other candidate. And now, second part, what she did was, since literally she repackaged her entire past experience relate to entrepreneurship, and actually entrepreneurship is very relevant to PM, but there's only like limited information you can present if you don't know how to really leverage entrepreneurship to make it sounds like you have been doing product management for a while, so it doesn't feel like there's a huge transition. And so that's why we teach her how to repackage your story inside PM Accelerator, retell the stories. And on my YouTube channel, there's a lot of free training. I teach you how to repackage your stories as well so that you can continue to grow your career. Okay, so now feel free to go there and also learn it for free. And I'm very excited to see her that she started her PM job as a remote product lead at GoDaddy. And now let's also, for everybody who preparing for upcoming interview, feel free to go to this website, pmaccelerator.io/50fan. Let me put the link in the chat so that you can use the same interview questions database to prepare for your upcoming interview. So now, even if you're not preparing for fan companies, or like all the tier 1 companies and even startup companies, and nowadays, for example, chocolate company like Hershey's, they're using the same interview questions database to interview their candidate. It's literally the same thing. Okay, so feel free to go there and use the latest interview questions database to get ready for upcoming interviews. Let's really need lots of case interview to be able to pass those very challenging interview questions coming up. Okay. So now, and I put it in the chat. Feel free to take a screenshot right now, and you guys can go there and get it for free as well. Just it's a very valuable resource. It's all the real life interview questions database. And in this case, and also make sure to take a screenshot right now how to get free live resume review from me. And you can email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay, info@pmaccelerator.io. And your email title should be free resume review dash date of attending the masterclass. Okay, so what is a masterclass? And basically, masterclass is where we teach you how to create a product portfolio in 2 weeks so that you're able to quickly speed up your learning process and use this as your competitive advantage to land your PM job offer much faster, even if you have no experience or you were laid off. And this will help you land any AI or traditional PM job offer. And now let me also put a link in the chat as well. In case you guys missing it. So basically the site is very easy to access. You can go to pmaccelerator.io/masterclass, or you can directly just go to the description of the YouTube Live or LinkedIn Live. There's a link sent you to the same place, which is pmaccelerator.io/masterclass. Okay, so you have the same thing ready for your upcoming live training with me. And now specifically why we want people to tell us when did you attend masterclass, and we review resume for people both masterclass attendee, non-masterclass attendee, both ways. We just prioritize people already attending masterclass because it's already, if once you finish masterclass, you already had the resume ready. You also have your product portfolio ready because over there we teach you exactly with 5 different tools you can use for your product portfolio and all the 2 different product portfolio examples. So you can leverage the same kind of expertise to dive into your past experience training the product portfolio. Okay, so once you have it ready and you review your resume with me live and go off with job hunting right away. So everything is free in terms of what we teach you for masterclass and as well as the free resume review. Okay, so just let us know your attendance so you get prioritized, and also email my team. Make sure it's very critical. Email my team so that they're going to send you the Zoom link for you to attend and learn. Okay, cool. Now let me also put a link in the chat. Right here. All right. Now let's continue for all the quick reminder. And yeah, make sure to check out our Product Insider podcast and our YouTube videos, and actually it's like lots of like free resources, and we have invited lots of like senior leaders from fan companies, and they join us to teach you how to develop their product management career as well. So go there and learn, starting to do it for free. And of course, we have a lot of free training on YouTube. Okay, so now let's do free live resume review. Now here's something interesting. The people who submitted for the free live resume review didn't join the Zoom call. So let me just quickly check out the resume. So when they're not here, it's actually very difficult to tell them what they can work on. But let me just do this quickly. We'll try my best. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, I assume you guys can see my screen. So we have Samantha, different. Where is she? So she's in UK. Okay, cool. Okay, let me see how we can improve this resume. Silver design development for GSE. Oh, this is I assume she wants to become a PM. Her resume is significantly missing the PM keywords. SaaS development, I don't think it is SaaS development. Impact was great, spearheaded product release by collaborating with. Now, product release is different from product management. There's lots of things we're missing on this resume regarding becoming a product manager. Business Okay, so um this resume missing significantly all the PM keywords, but I love all the impact. The impact's great. Let me show you. Especially for PwC, and PwC is a consulting company. And when you are doing consulting work, actually, there's a lots of things you can turn into product management experience because you work on different projects. You probably conduct voice customer interviews, and and also writing requirements. So see in this resume has nothing to do with resume writing requirement, but you must have done that before. That's how I feel for all the PwC consultants. So let's do this. Let me show you. Hey guys, if you're missing those PM keywords, so let's really missing out big time. Let me show you. Go to my YouTube channel. Yeah, right here. Okay, cool. So once you go to my YouTube channel, check out my resume, Product Manager resume tips playlist. Okay, the number one most important video you must watch is all the PM keywords. Must have Product Manager resume keywords leading to resumes, PM interview. This is must have actually most important thing everyone must read. Okay, so this video actually tell you everything you put on your resume, all the PM keywords, why, and all the detailed description, different kind of keywords. And so that's the resume we're sharing right here is literally missing all the PM keywords. Okay, so let me put the YouTube video in the chat. You should literally watch this one. This is number one most important thing. Everyone must watch this really. It's going to hit the algorithm much more efficiently. Okay, so that's what's missing. The whole algorithm part. Okay, so this one, let's really just watch this. And by the way, I also have a blog post on my website which break down different PM keywords and examples. Let me go to my blog post, and people actually is missing out on our blog post right here. And see all the resources, blogs. Okay, all the blog posts here. Where's my key? How to write a killer permanent resume. That is right here. So basically teach you exactly what to write and different keywords you can use and like many different things you can leverage to create your um resume. Okay, so this is crazy important. So let me put the blog post um on the link as well. So those basically the video description of what I want you guys to learn. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah, feel free to go check it out right now. Okay, cool. Okay, so we only have one submission for resume today, and she's not here with me live, so I cannot ask her questions. Cool. In that case, let me know if any other question come on the chat. What question do you have relate to landing your next PM job offer, product management, and everything? Uh. Um, Abigail. Okay. So, oh, got the time wrong. It's okay. Did you submit your resume with my team, Abigail? I think uh Shamu submit her resume. Yeah, feel free to put your questions on the chat. I can quickly do overview and people already submit. Shamu submitted resume, but she didn't show up. Okay, but anyway, so anybody have any remaining question, feel free to put on the chat. And let me also show you guys, take a screenshot so that you know how to get the Zoom link next time so they can review your video. No. Okay. So right here, everybody take a screenshot right now and email my team at info@pmaccelerator.io. It is going to give you a lot of resources, okay, to attend the live resume review, and email my team. She's also going to upload your resume into Google Drive and also give you Zoom link to join me. Okay, it's right here, info@pmaccelerator.io. And also check out the free resume review, and your email title should be free resume review - attending the masterclass. Okay, the date of attending masterclass. So what is a masterclass? And some of you guys might already know this. Masterclass, where we teach you how to create a portfolio in 2 weeks to land any PM job offer AI traditional, even if you're being laid off, you have no experience at all. Okay, so come check it out, everything you need to know about the product portfolio, and also join me live. And actually, we have live resume review and this week, and also tomorrow, Wednesday, we have our masterclass as well. And also later this week, we have something quite similar for our masterclass attendee as well. So yes, join me live. If you already attend this, just let us know if I attended, because we're going to prioritize people attending a masterclass. Okay, masterclass will teach you how to create a product portfolio in 2 weeks, land any PM job offering AI traditional, even if you're being laid off, have no experience at all. Okay, cool. Yeah, put all your questions in the chat. The people who submitted resume review didn't show up on Zoom, so we have extra time. Feel free to put your questions in the chat before we jump off the link. Cool, let me see. I don't see any questions coming in. If we don't have any other questions, I am going to end today's live talk, and make sure, so for people who is interested in our PM Accelerator, actually we have Black Friday sales coming up this week, and you need to pay close attention to all our messages, okay? So make sure to come here and join us, and if any other questions, feel free to put in the chat, where we provide free coaching and on Zoom, and LinkedIn, YouTube Live. Happy to answer any questions. Okay, so there is a masterclass link is also in the description of live coaching, and all those like links of our posts in YouTube Live or LinkedIn Live, and feel free to go there and grab the link as well. But website is also very easy. Take a screenshot right now. On my Zoom background, you can see pmaccelerator.io. On our homepage, there's a button, click free masterclass. You go there and register as well. Okay, we're going to teach you how to create a portfolio and also announce our Black Friday sales as well. Cool. Oh, Samir, you have a question. Doc Nancy, I am from manager data automation background, looking to transition to product management. Is this possible for me to transition? Which topic should I prepare, as I recently got laid off? Oh, I see. Yes, we have lots of people who have data background break into PM. So possible transition, which topic should I prepare? Okay, so many different things. Number one, you learn all the product management knowledge. So end-to-end product management knowledge. And actually on my YouTube channel, I have lots of video training regarding product management, product roadmap, which growth product marketing, lots of free training about product management. I also have the product manager roles responsibility checklist, and you guys need to go like download and use it right away. Okay, so it's all on my YouTube channel. And after you finish that and you learn all the basic PMs, the next part is actually creating a product portfolio to demonstrate you have done similar work. The reason is everyone just say, hey, I know product management, how you demonstrate? Because the job market is very competitive. It's better you put it in a product portfolio. For example, if you already done voice custom interview, you put it on a product portfolio. If you already done go-to-market strategy, you put a product portfolio. And let's say, and when you're a data manager, you didn't do go-to-market strategy, but that doesn't mean that you cannot create go-to-market strategy today, right? Because literally it's showing that you have done the work and you know all the transferable skill set. That's why product portfolio is very critical. Learn it, do a product portfolio, okay? And then you start honing your interview skills. And then before that, you should also have your resume ready, because your resume needs to have all the PM keywords. And again, 91% of product managers, they transition into PM today. They're all 91%, they all transition, just like you and me. I was a systems engineer at Shell Oil. So doing like oil-based systems engineering. But what make it really valuable is when people think about, you know what, it's time for me to transition into PM. How do I know someone working for oil risk has the same skill set as a PM? So your resume needs to write all the PM keywords, all the PM related experience on your resume, and your product portfolio is a proof you have done that before. Because as I said, lots of people can just say you have done that before. So how do you know? Because you were data product manager. So you show that, hey, even if my title was data product manager, did I write requirement? Yes, I did it before. So see, here's a sample product requirement I have written in the past. Hey, I have done voice customer interview. See, there's a voice customer interview result I've done in the past. All of those are very relevant for future employers and to evaluate your background. Okay, so make sure to check it out. And on my YouTube channel, let me show you, I have lots of free training regarding product portfolio and free tools. And make sure to watch this video where we talk about all the PM keywords. Okay, it's right here. Make sure to watch this. And also giving you examples how to write those PM keywords. So now let me do the portfolio. Go to my YouTube channel. Right here. So where's the profile? See, watch those three videos per portfolio. Okay, so product portfolio, I made multiple videos about product portfolio, and then I also made another video regarding product portfolio tools you can use to create a product portfolio. Okay, everything's right here. You must watch this. It's very critical. Okay. Yeah, and I have lots of product management training. I publish over like how many I have? Let's see, it's how many? 700 videos. 700 videos by today. Lots of free product management training, for roadmap, like growth strategy, everything is there. Okay, so product management with no experience, and had lots of like differences B2B, B2C. Like product management is here. Lots of different kind of like a free training. So I highly recommend everybody to go there and check it out. Okay. Cool. Okay, great, cool. Let me know any other questions you guys have. Put in the chat. What are the questions you guys have? Cool, Samir. Yes, no problem. Yeah. I love to, yeah, feel free to share any learnings you have today and tag me. And actually creating your LinkedIn strategy is also very important so that your resume and also profile will be perceived by the recruiter. So you be active on LinkedIn. Okay, cool. Very important. Yeah, feel free. Yeah, I would appreciate anyone you learned today. Feel free to post anything or share any YouTube video, anything you're learning, and tag me so that more people will discover our free training, and you're also getting a lot of like recruiter notice. The key is the more active you're on LinkedIn, the more likely your profile will bump up in the recruiter session. Okay. PO to PM. Oh, John, great question. How can transition from product owner to product manager? Fantastic. I'm going to make a YouTube video, take notes on this actually. Product owner to product manager transition. Okay, here's how you do it. So product owner actually have done a lot of work similar to PM, but what you have done is mainly working with the engineering team. You haven't done very strategic roadmap, maybe have some kind of roadmap, but not strategic enough. And then you also missing the end-to-end product management lifecycle. For example, you didn't have done like go-to-market strategy, I assume, or you didn't have the product roadmap. So some part of it is missing, but majority is there. 70% is there. The long-term bigger scope part is missing. Okay, if you're missing the bigger scope, here's what I want you to do. Literally, product portfolio is the best, the only way actually going to solve this problem. 70% overlap. You role requirement working with engineering team, you have a Scrum Agile methodology, right? So now let's say if you don't have the product roadmap experience, end-to-end product strategy roadmap, right? So you can create your own product strategy roadmap putting on your product portfolio and still talk about your engineering experience on your product portfolio. But the product strategy and go-to-market strategy on the roadmap is demonstrate to the interviewers, telling them, hey, I already have thought about the product strategies, and here is a product strategy I have created. Now, here's the thing, maybe when you're a product owner, people didn't hire you to do product strategy, or the product strategy has been created by someone else, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't create your own product strategy, because someone else might only give you one element of what the product strategy final result is, but didn't tell you how exactly create the product strategy, right? So here's your responsibilities and demonstrate to the interviewers saying, hey, I know the methodology creating product strategy, interviewing like customers and understand competitive landscape, and everything is showing the thought process leading to product strategy. Now, once you already have your product portfolio ready, demonstrate whatever you don't have, let's say product strategy or go-to-market strategy, show them what does strategy look like. And then you already have the fundamental, which you're working with engineers. Now, with a combo of both, you present a product portfolio, literally is going to like blow up the recruiter's mind, saying, hey, this person literally have done something quite similar. It's just the scope of work is too small. Okay, so that's literally you need to do right away. Didn't do strategy, go do some strategy, put on product portfolio. Literally, I'm gonna create a YouTube video about this. Actually, lots of people have misconceptions regarding product strategy, product owner, product roadmap, and this part. Yes, you guys are missing the connections, but this is way easier. Actually, it's very easy if you use the right strategy. Okay, cool. Um, any available video advice you have that can start to work on the transition? Yes, do this. Let me share with you. We have free training right here. Work on the product. All the playlists of product portfolio right here. Let me share in the chat. How to create product portfolio from scratch. Let me share it in the chat. Let me share it in the chat. Is here. Yeah, let's read this. Lots of free resources I film for you guys. Okay, and let's read the most important thing. You should go watch it. And on my I also have another video which is product owner versus product manager. Let's search. So basically you search, go to my YouTube channel, the search button. You search product owner versus product manager, you're able to find this training right here. Product manager, product owner, difference in roles, responsibility, hierarchy. Right, of course, this ad, skip the ads. So let me share this. Yeah, identify the differences first. Then you create a product portfolio that demonstrate whatever you don't have. Okay, so put in the link. So those two free resources is going to help you significantly. So do that right away. Cool. Let me see what other questions we have. Samir, is there a channel which I can join to maintain connected with you and join session to seek help? Yes, you can directly join me on YouTube and LinkedIn. And DM me on LinkedIn, ask any additional questions. You can also join me on YouTube and also Instagram. I am on all platforms, Instagram, TikTok, podcast. We're also part of Insider Podcast. Lots of stuff. Okay, so go check it out. There's like lots of free resources you can use. Yes, and main group, just go subscribe to our YouTube channel and also DM me on LinkedIn. We also have YouTube. We also have a LinkedIn group. Literally, we also have a LinkedIn group you should join, and we'll have lots of product manager there, and you can get connected with me over there. Let me find the LinkedIn group. Um, Let me share my screen. That's here. How do you find a LinkedIn group? No, I'm sharing the wrong thing. Let me share this. LinkedIn group right here. Okay, so those, let me go to my LinkedIn. Let's go to um groups. That's how to go to my groups. We have interesting. Couldn't navigate the LinkedIn groups. Me search. Mark interview groups. Why is not searchable? Referral. I think we make like referral. Oh, because the private group is not searchable. Okay, you know what? Let me do this. Let me find the private group link. I think this is a private group. Let me come here. Let's read there is a private group I need to share with you guys. Ah, here's a group. No wonder it's not searchable. It's a private group. So let me share with you the private group in the chat. Oh, sorry, there's a Facebook group. Sorry, hold on, slow down. Let me go to the Facebook group. There's a LinkedIn group. Let me put the right one. Ah, right here. Sorry, I put the Facebook group. LinkedIn groups right here. Okay, I put the LinkedIn group in the chat so you guys can join. It's right here. Okay, cool. All right, it should be straightforward. You can click and join. Let me know if any other questions in the chat. Looks like we answered all the questions. Okay, cool. All right. Cool. Thank you for joining me. And looks like we answered all the questions and people who already submitted your resume review. And we will review resume, but the person who submitted didn't show up. I already reviewed already. If you want to join me next week for free resume review, you can email my team. Let me do the final email. You can share, take a look, email my team. info@pmaccelerator.io. Okay, so that's all the information you need to join us. And then once you join this info@pmaccelerator.io, email my team and also tell them when was the last time you attend our masterclass. Okay, so that's where you're able to create your portfolio, learn 5 different tools you can leverage, grow your product management career. Okay, so now the link of the masterclass is also in the description of those events, YouTube Live, LinkedIn Live. I'm also going to put it in the chat. And we'll also have our biggest Thanksgiving Black Friday promotions and this week, and make sure to join us and learn more. Okay, cool. As a product manager, Andrew asked a question. As a product manager, what skills do you consider most important for product designer? What skills do you consider most important for product designer? Do you think, what do you mean? Why product? As product manager, what skills do you consider most important for product designer? Are you saying that what product designer's most important skill set? If so, what I assume what it means is what's most important for product designer is I think product designer needs to understand the user journey very well so that you're able to detect and understand what's the most effective way to drive the user engagement and create the great end-to-end user experience so that your end user will love your own unique product. Okay, so that's the most important thing what the product designer needs to do. And also help you to become a better product manager sometime in the future if you want to transition. Great question, Andrew. Okay. So looks like I answered all the questions and awesome. Yeah, feel free to email my team and submit your resume for free resume review next week. And thank you for everyone who joined me today. Make sure to like and share any of the videos you have seen or posts you have done and tag me. I really appreciate any kind of endorsement because we actually provide lots of free training every single week. We want lots of people to discover our free content as well. Awesome. Okay, moving forward to seeing everyone in our next YouTube live. Talk soon. Bye, guys.